Hi, here's Szymon Bochniak from Microsoft 365 at work. Today I would like to show you some cool tips and tricks that you can use on Microsoft lists to improve your productivity on the daily work. In today's video I would like to share with you some tips and tricks about Microsoft lists, especially features that are present here, but for some reason you can miss them because they are hidden in the user interface or you never had chance to click on them when you're playing with Microsoft lists. First feature I would like to share with you is exporting the whole list to separated Excel file, and you can do that by just one click, which you have to done on export to Excel button. So thanks to it, you will export the list to the file, and after you will open it, you will be able to load the whole data from your Microsoft list directly to the Excel file. So as soon as you will export the list, you will get the query file. Just open it. The Excel spreadsheet will appear on your screen, and if you will enable the connection, you will see that your data will be loaded directly to the Excel file. So immediately you can get all that data saved in your spreadsheet, and you can do whatever you want with that. It could be very useful from perspective of building some reports, gathering some data to your manager because they need some kind of additional information, or exporting it to the presentation or any other source. This is out of the box functionality. You don't have to do anything to get that from your Microsoft list. One more important feature that you should remember about is if you will update your list with new purchase order registered, then you can load that data later on to your Excel file, which could be very useful. So if you will get back to exported data, just go to the data tab and choose refresh all, and after a second you will see that the new records will be also transferred here automatically. So it's really worth to save that kind of file if you need to update that kind of reports later on. The second feature I would like to share with you today is the grid view. This is some kind of spreadsheet-like experience for Microsoft lists. So if you will get there, you will see that you will have very similar functionalities like you have when you're working on the data on Microsoft Excel file. So few examples how you can use it for your daily collaboration. So you can paste the records directly from your clipboard. You can see on this example, I have some records saved in the background, like copied from other Excel file, and I would like to paste them to the Microsoft list. I can do that just opening the grid view and using the paste functionality. Moreover, you have also possibility to do massive operations on the records, like copying the values between the cells, and this is something very easy. So you can see this kind of special view gives you some possibilities to do massive operations on your data without additional filling the forms every time. So this is something that could really speed up your work if you have to do a lot of additional tasks related with the records. One of the most cool and new functionalities on Microsoft List is possibility to add the comments. The only thing you have to do is to select the record. You will see the new icon comment on top bar. When you will select it, the comment panel will appear, and you can save there the comment that will be visible for all people who are working on that. This is very simple functionality, but on the other hand it could really improve the collaboration when multiple people work on the one record. Moreover, you can also see the whole history of changes done there. To do that, just go to the eye icon, the small icon that is almost hidden on the user interface. When you will see the record panel, you can see the whole activity stream done on the record. So when the record was created, who done that, when the changes were made, and also the comments history. This is something really important when you work on the records for the longer time. It really can help you to work better. The last feature I would like to share with you today is alerting. So you can set the alerts on Microsoft list, the whole list, or on separated records by going to the three dots icon and then to choose alert me functionality. When you will click on that, the new screen will appear when you can set the alerts which will be sent directly to your email box. You have few options here which is worth to nominate or to review. You can get the alerts about the new records, about the changes, or about the deletion of the records done by you or other people. And also what is cool and very useful, you can get weekly or daily summaries. So you can imagine that there is very important list for you with very important data, and every Friday you want to get the report about what was done and by whom during the week. Setting the alert is just choosing the OK button, and after that you will get the notifications directly to your email box. One disclaimer about that: this is classic functionality. There is good chance that the look and feel of that screen will be changed in future or modernized by Microsoft, but still it's working perfectly well right now. So how that kind of alerts looks like? You will get the email to your email box, which shows exactly the record and, what is most important, the changes made there. So you can easily navigate all the changes, monitor what's happening, who does the changes and when. And I know the organizations that need that kind of functionality, so you can easily get that, but remember, three dots and hide and alert me icon will allow you to do that. That were the episode about the tips and tricks on Microsoft lists. You can see that there's a lot of cool features hidden there in the Microsoft list interface, and you can expect the next episode that will show another 4 very useful functionalities that will help you to work more efficient and collaborate better using Microsoft lists. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe the channel.